Hey y'all, happy new year and welcome to another video. So today I am applying this Senegal rope twist wig. It's 4x4 hand braided wig. It was $99 at our local hair store, and the lace is only a 4x4, but it do go ear to ear. It's just not as much parting space on the sides. As you can see, I already prepared her ball cap. So now I'm just going to apply the wig to her head and then get her hairline prepared with the glue. So when applying the glue, I believe I did about 3 to 4 layers, and I made sure that each layer was spread out evenly so there was no lumps and clumps. So when it's time to lay the wig and the lace down, it will be seamless and you won't be able to see the glue, and it'll just give it that melt that you really want to give it that natural look. So yeah, thank you all for coming back for another video. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video and you guys enjoy your day. Y'all, now this is the only part I didn't like, was the lace being sewn on the cap. I really wish it was a full lace, but you can purchase a full lace. Of course, it's going to be more money, but that is an option. So have a good day.